Hello, kids. How are you today? I hope that everyone is having a wonderful time. Okay, kids. So the topic that we are going to review today is one that is included in your grammar guide. So please pay attention so that you wouldn't have any problem answering the exam on the day of the exam. Of course, today is Tuesday, June 2nd. Okay, and as I mentioned, this is the topic will, and we use it for future predictions as it says there. Material that you need is your red notebook and your pencil case. Please remember to respect your turn, put your microphones off, and you are not allowed to write on the presentation because this is disrespectful. Okay, so future will. When do we use future will? Well, we usually use will to mention things that we wish to do in the future. Okay, we want to do it. We think we are going to do it. We use it for predictions, basically. For example, if you look outside and it's cloudy, maybe it's going to rain. So you will say, it will rain, outside is very cloudy. For example, you can say, if the phone rings, I will answer it. Okay, that's what you think will happen. So here it says subject plus will. Also note that sometimes we use the contracted form of will. In the example here it says, she'll be a teacher when she grows up. It means that she will be a teacher when she grows up. So in the affirmative form, we use will, and in the negative form, we use won't. Okay? In the example, it says, Tom won't go to Great Britain next year. If you notice, when we use will or won't, the verb that follows is usually in the base form. We don't have to do anything to the verb. Okay, the verb remains the same, and we just decide if we use will or won't depending on the situation. So here it says will plus subject plus infinitive. Will Sam win the championship? Okay, so let's quickly go through these ones. I will go, you'll go, he, she, or it will go, or he'll go, she'll go, it'll go. We will go, you'll go, they'll go. Usually when we speak, we say I'll give you a pencil. I'll go to the gym this afternoon. I'll do some exercises later, for example. In the negative form, we usually say I won't. I won't go to Mexico City this week, for example. He won't go to Mexico City. She won't go. It won't go. We won't go. You won't go. And they won't go to Mexico City next vacation. When we ask a question, usually we put will at the beginning. So will, the subject, and then the verb. Will you go to Mexico City for vacation, for example? Will she go to Mexico City? Will we go to school next week? Will you go to Colegio Americano tomorrow? Will they go to the beach on the weekend? Okay, and for short answers, you can say, yes, we will, or no, we won't. Yes, I will, or no, I won't. It depends on the subject that you're speaking about. If it's I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. So now let's move on, okay? Some clue words or expressions that let you know that we have to use the future will is, for example, when we mention future time expressions like the following day, tomorrow, the next day, next year, next month, next Monday, next Tuesday, next Wednesday, next Saturday, for example. It lets you know that we have to use will because we're speaking about the future, okay? Here it says we use will to make promises. For example, I will help you do your homework to make decisions quickly. If the phone rings, I will answer. If there is a sale in Walmart, I'll go quickly. If there is a sale in Liverpool, I will go. Okay? And to make predictions, like for example, it's 7 a.m. and it's so humid. I think today will be very hot, for example. So now let's move on to the next. Um, let's quickly watch the video that the teacher shows you. And now we are going to complete the questions with will or won't. What time our class finish today? Okay, what time will our class finish? It's 5 degrees Celsius today, but you don't have a sweater. Won't you be cold? Okay. Mom is returning home very late. Do you think she will cook dinner? Number 4, it's dark and cloudy. Do you think it will rain? Okay, and it's hot in here. Will you open the window, please? Okay, kids, these are the answers. Now on to the next. Don't get up. I will pass you the pencil. It's a decision that sometimes we make when you're doing exams. We ask you not to stand up and we will pass you the pencil. If the weather is rainy, we won't go to the beach because it's not convenient to go to the beach. So we won't go to the beach, okay? It's your birthday next month, but you won't have a party. Here it says but, so it means that maybe the answer is something negative. You won't have a party. They went to Cancun. She won't be in class because if she's in Cancun, it is not possible for her to be in class this morning. Most likely not. Okay? These are the answers. They studied a lot. I think they will get fantastic grades because they studied a lot. This is my prediction. Now it says write the sentences in the negative form. This is quite simple. We will go on holiday. That is affirmative. And now we have to change the same sentence to the negative. What do? Well, we put will in the negative form. We won't go on holiday. Okay? The exam will be easy. What do you think is the answer? The exam won't be easy. I will help you with your homework. I won't help you with your homework. I think I will listen to some good music today. I think I won't listen to music today. Okay? Now, complete the sentences with will, won't, and the verb in the correct form. So what I mean by the verb in the correct form, if you notice, there is the verb with to end. The meeting will, it is not correct to say the meeting will to end at 4:30. So we only say the meeting will end at 4:30 p.m. Philip, here they want you to write it in the negative form. Philip won't is the negative form. Won't forget to come. Henry won't tell his father about the accident. Okay, Emily was very rude to me. I won't visit her again. Okay, kids. So thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice day. Okay, and please remember to study very hard so you can get a fantastic grade in the exam. Bye.